In this video, we are going to see how to work with data from multi-channel GPR systems. When creating a project using data from multi-channel systems, these will be grouped in superlines, as you can see from the measurement list on the left. A superline is a single array pass or swath and includes the beacon data from each channel in the GPR system. During data collection, you can collect multiple superlines. In case the multi-channel system has a single polarization, you will have only a single input. If the GPR system has dual polarization, two inputs will appear here. The first input represents the data from the VV channels, and the second input the data from the HH channels. We can alternate between the data from different polarization in the slice view by selecting the desired input from the list on the right of the slice view. The fusion option will display a slice, which is a combination of data from both inputs. Similarly, we can select which data to display in the B-scan by selecting one of the two input options. Also, we can select a superline and a specific channel from that superline whose B-scan we want to visualize. In this case, we have two superlines. Let's switch to superline 2. We can select the channel from the list or by switching using the arrows. In the case of dual polarization data, we can apply different filters to each datasets. From the Input Analysis section, select the VV input and then apply the desired filters from the list. Similarly, you can select the HH input and then add the filters. You can see that for each input we have a different list of applied filters.